Are you struggling to reach six figures, or have you crossed the six-figure mark and now find yourself struggling to implement the next big idea? Coming up with the next big idea for your business is not your bottleneck. Nope, it's taking action to implement your next big idea. If this is you, you're not alone. You're in good company with a ton of online entrepreneurs. And if you're struggling to scale in your business, it may be time to build a team of action takers to actually help you implement your next big idea. So hello, if we haven't met before, my name is Michele and I'm a life and success coach, and I utilize my experience as a certified online business manager to help female entrepreneurs achieve their goals, their visions, their dreams, so they can actually live a good life and have time to enjoy it. Bottleneck. Are you the bottleneck in your business when it comes to taking action and implementation of your next idea? You're not alone. Entrepreneurs tend to be visionaries, and your mind comes up with all kinds of amazing ideas. That's not a problem for you. Ideas, not a problem. If you're an entrepreneur that has grown to six figures in your online business, the problem is not coming up with the next idea. That's super easy for you. The hard part, in where I see so many entrepreneurs struggle and be the bottleneck, is actually scaling their business. Okay, so is this you? It's all used up. Your determination to bring life to your dreams was bigger than your limitations of taking action. And even though taking action and implementation is not one of your greatest strengths, you did it anyways because you were driven and determined to bring your idea to life. And now you find that determination has been all used up, just like your willpower at the end of the day, with your first big idea. So what happens when your determination begins to fade? Let's just chat about this a second. So I know you're wondering, what happens when the determination begins to fade? What are the next steps? How do you actually overcome this? At the beginning of your business, it was great because each day you sat down at your desk, you were determined to build your business, the good life that you craved, and now you're all tangled up in the day-to-day operations. The very thought of having to run the business and bring a new idea to life has absolutely zero appeal to you. Okay, let me ask, do you have this common problem? And the common problem that I hear from far too many online business owners is they have a six-figure offer that's a one and done. Let me clarify what a one and done offer is. Your customer buys from you one time because you have nothing else that they can buy from you. Instead of building your team, you're spending time on the hamster wheel of selling your one and done offer. So stay with me now. What if you brought on a team to help build your next idea, and that could bring in recurring revenue from your current customers? Getting off the hamster wheel of having to constantly sell in order to grow your business. I know, what a novel idea. It's really grand. So, but either way, you've lost that dream of why you've started your business, because implementation and action taking are really not in your wheelhouse. Now you're stuck. You're stuck in managing the offer, the business, the selling, and all the crap you no longer want to do in your business. Really, in order to grow your business, you need to step out of the doing and focus on the big picture goals that you have for your business. And this is something that only you can do. If implementation and action taking is a limitation of yours, this is why it may be time for you actually to build a team of action takers. Don't you wish you could get out of your own way and onto that growth path? Is this something you'd like for your business? As an online business manager with a team of project managers, this is where we tend to step into a business. Our clients have built a solid foundation, but they are done with the day-to-day management and operations of the business. They've reached a point of burnout and exhaustion, and they have created and implemented an offer that is launched and profitable. However, they have hit a ceiling and they are not able to grow and scale like their true vision wants them to. So if you've been burning the candle at both ends while running a business and a family and you just cannot do it any longer, it may be time for you to hire a team of action takers. If you have any questions or need assistance with it, please go ahead and reach out to me. Leave a comment below. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you for your time, and you have a wonderful day.